Hello, good afternoon. It's 12 noon, so it's a good time then to get an update on the midday trends, and that's exactly what we plan to do over the course of next 1 hour. Me, Anisha, Jain, as well as Winnie Motiwala will be with you for the course of next 1 hour, and we'll talk about all the buzzers and get you the managements of the top corporates. But first up, taking a check of the market mood, and there has been a bit of a buying on dips which has emerged. So we started off well at lower levels. Remember, the global handover wasn't very strong, but since then a buying has emerged, and now we are sitting at the highest point of the trading session, pretty much flat at the index level, but from the day's low there has been a meaningful recovery. Let's take a look at the bank Nifty as well. It's of course in focus ahead of the Monetary Policy Committee meeting. It's been fairly sideways. It's recovered too, but nonetheless it is in the red right now. The mid-cap and the small-cap indices have managed to see quite a bit of gain over the last couple of days, and that momentum really continues. The small-cap index, after almost a 5% rally in the last couple of days, is up another 1%, and the mid-caps too are powering ahead, and the advanced decline ratio is fairly robust. What's actually powering the Nifty today from the front line itself is the IT pack. Remember, CLSA has also upgraded a couple of those counters, but TCS is the one which is up around 2%. Infosys, HCL Tech also batting for the bulls in the trading session. Defense companies and the shipping companies at that are fairly active. So a Garden Reach, a Mazgaon Dock, a Cochin Shipyard, they're up anywhere between 5 to 15%. So quite a bit of solid momentum on these names today. Realty, however, is retracing a bit. So after hitting that record high level in a couple of days of those big gains, finally there's a bit of a tempering down as far as Godrej Properties is concerned, and even Lodha is coming under pressure. However, metals continue to shine. So whether it's a Nalco, which has seen quite a bit of price volume action of late, in fact it's higher by 5% today. SAIL continues to gain momentum after the 6-7% rally today, and Hindustan Zinc is the other one on everyone's radar. Good price volume action across the board in the metals names. Nestle is on the back foot today. NK has actually initiated coverage with a reduced rating, so that stock is a bit under pressure. We're also watching out for names like Chalet Hotels, JSW Energy, as well as Indiabulls Real Estate. All of these companies are planning some sort of fundraise. So for JSW Energy, it's a 5,000 crore IPO. Chalet has completed its 1,000 crore, QIP. Sorry, for JSW Energy as well, I beg your pardon, it's 5,000 crore QIP. And for Indiabulls Real Estate, they're planning to do a board meeting to discuss the fundraise. So all of these stocks are in focus on account of that. All Cargo, that one was firing away the last time I checked. The stock was up 6-7%. Remember that big uptick that you're seeing? That's the time when the management was actually speaking with ET now. They are talking about how the volume growth can be 6 to 10% in the next 6 to 8 months, and that's the reason the stock saw that big spike. Tata Technologies is the other one. We spoke with the management today. They're talking about how the new BMW JV is a material and strategic commitment. They're expecting the scale up to happen in the second half of the year. So on account of that deal win, that stock is firing away. In fact, let's listen into the management bias of Tata Technologies and All Cargo before we take it forward on the show.